I'm done for today. So I just went out for a ride. I don't know what I'm going to do today. The day is really shitty. It's been raining all day. So yeah, I'll figure it along the ride. So I remember that I need to buy something that I couldn't find last time. The donuts are just a bonus. Also, I'm really curious because in Argentina we are not donut makers. So yeah, finally they have here. God, I can't believe that they are so hard to find. They have some auto checkout machines, but they are so slow and they are not that good. So it took some time to pay. It's raining a lot again. So yeah, I'm done with this. I finally got what I needed and now I'm going to get a coffee. Today is rainy, it's cold, so it's perfect. It's like going back to the Netherlands. So let's get a coffee. Yeah, this is the Panamericana. I won't get the coffee at Campana. I'm going to get it a bit farther away, like 15 minutes away. It's a city that belongs to Campana, but it's kind of a different municipality. Well, actually, it is the same municipality, it's just a small town, so they belong to Campana. And I'm going there. I'm already sick of being at the city center. Also, I like driving with rain, so yeah, I'm just going to enjoy it. Almost there. I need to take the next exit just after these two trucks. So I need to find where to park now. Yeah, there's more people than I expected. So finding a place where to park might be challenging. And I think I cannot do it there. This is going to be a problem. Yeah, I don't know where to park. Yeah, all spots are taken. So I don't know where I'm going to park. So I found a spot, but I think the place is going to be really crowded. Or at least that's what it looks like. So the plan is, if I cannot find a place where to sit, I will eat the donut here. And that's going to be my coffee break. So I read a few chapters. At least I'm finally making progress with my book. Now I'm going to go back to Campana. And I'm going to show you why I couldn't find a spot to park. It's because some people suck at parking. There you have a spot completely wasted. So as you can see, I'm still in Campana, so I'm not properly saying it. This is Otamendi, it's just another city, part of Campana. Basically, in Argentina, if a town is too small to have its own government, they will belong to the nearest city. In this case, Campana. I'm only 10-15 minutes away, so it makes sense that Otamendi is part of Campana. As you can see, the storm was no joke. Look at the light pole. I wanted to do a close-up. Look at this. So the tree fell and of course fucked the lamp. Look how heavy the tree was. So these two donuts were about 700 pesos, which equals about 70 cents. It has a dulce de leche feeling. Let's see how good it is. It's really dry and it's not even close to American donuts. So yeah, what a shame. I'd rather eat medialunas.